Have you ever imagined life before selfies? Life before selfies? There was a time? Yes, there was a time. How did people know what other people look like? They had their portraits taken. Their portraits? What's a portrait? A portrait is a painting that is commissioned by an artist where the artist paints a person's portrait, their picture that features their face. A portrait. Mona Lisa is a portrait. Van Gogh had his portrait taken. That's how we know what people look like in history before there were cameras and selfies. But a portrait nowadays can also be a photo or a sculpture that focuses on the face. A portrait. Where did I learn about portraits? I learned them right here in The Eighth Sister. It's a mystery that starts with a mysterious portrait. Can you make a sentence with portrait? Leave it in the comments.